In this video, I'm going to show you some tricks on calculating volume. So if we have a problem like this that says if the width of the rectangular prism is doubled, which statement about the volume would be true? So here's our rectangular prism with the dimensions, and here we have the choices. Will the new volume be 4 times the old volume? Will it be 3 times, or will it be 2 times? So you could do this problem by solving the volume equation for a rectangular prism. You don't actually have to go in and double the width and then do the calculation twice. You don't have to do that. So you could just use this equation. So we know the volume equation for this is the length times the width times the height, right? That's what it is. The length times the width times the height. So the new rectangular prism will have 2 times the width. So the new dimensions for the width are 2w, okay? So we could put that into the equation. Our new equation for the new rectangular prism is length times 2w times h. So we could just move the 2 over this way because it's multiplication. It doesn't matter if it's multiplying the L or the W or the H. You'll get the same answer. But because we want to try to simplify this, we just move the 2 out of the way of all the variables. It just makes it easier to look at and to work with. So now we can divide the new volume divided by the old volume. So we could do a comparison to see how it has changed. So let's put in our new equation, which is 2 times the length times the width times the height, over the old equation, which is length times width times height. So we could see that these cancel out. Okay, they're exactly the same, so they will cancel out. So we're left with 2. So the right answer is going to be the new volume will be 2 times the old volume. And that's it. That's the trick for that problem. And don't worry if you didn't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. And in the ebook, there's a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.